Alright guys, let's continue. No, I don't make it. I crash. Yeah, I knew it. What the? Yeah, I try one more time. If I don't get it, I don't try anymore. Oh my god, it's gonna be... No, almost. Okay, one try. Then. That was pretty close. Now I can make it. Yeah. Please, please, make it. Yeah. I get an nanotech boost. And up there is some platinum bolt, so I go get it. Oh my, I missed it, but whatever.
Now, let's get the goods on that experiment. What the?
I think I see the problem.
What? Now even the computers are charging us? That's it. This galaxy blows.
Dr. James T. Fullbladder reporting on Megacorp experiment number 13. This update is strictly classified. If you are watching this, you're fired. Early thinking held that the specimen was entirely docile in nature. Even overt provocation failed to incite it. But the late Dr. Putrid's son observed that natural levels of monster propanase in the experiment's bloodstream were triggering some remarkable changes. Attempts at neutralizing the specimen's violent tendencies were met with limited success. Our surviving staff recommend that the experiment be destroyed immediately at Megacorp's deep space disposal facility.
The computer's log indicates that we were the first to view that recording.
So Fizzwidget must not know. We've got to warn him.
Yellow.
Mr. Fizzwidget, you're safe. Sir, brace yourself. We just saw a video of your experiment eating its handlers. I repeat, it eats its handlers.
Ah, yes. Low fat, extra foam, no sprinkles.
Mr. Fizzwidget, do you copy? Anyone handling the experiment must exercise the utmost caution.
No, decapitate. What? Oh, yes. Exercise my frontmost cushion.
Ah.
Sir, your experts recommend that the experiment be liquidated. We will meet you at your deep space disposal facility.
Ah, yes, my cheap date proposal facsimile. It's heavily guarded, so make sure to use the password. Which is, Quartastic. Yes, Toodaloo.
I need to get one ship upgrade.
Thanks for less. Pay for 6 hits and the 7th is free. You want us to what? Whoa, wait a minute. That'd be an unethical conflict of interest. What kind of scum do you think we are? Say, that is a lot of bolts. Well, since you put it that way, I suppose we could undo our previous obligation. Excellent, sir. Thank you for choosing Thugs for Less. Attention all Thugs for Less personnel. We now have a new employer.
Please, game, don't freeze. Please, 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 don't. Whew. This can't be true. I have 29 vegetarian and that cost 30. No! I need one more. Seriously, that was a waste of time. Sorry guys, I'm really sorry. One vegetarian. Yeah, there it is. Wee. Now we can go back. That was really waste of time. Yeah. Now I have fusion laser cannons. Now I can beat those turrets easily on this. Whatever. Here it explode.
Alright, input the password now.
Check. Here goes.
You better check that code.
I am sure it was correct.
The defenses are attacking us. We've got to hold them off until Fizzwidget gets here.
Very easy with these fusion laser cannons.
Come in, gentlemen. Can you hear me?
Sir, you gave us an erroneous password.
Implausible. Unless, is this Tuesday or Wednesday? Anyway, sorry to have missed our meeting, but I was called away to film a commercial for our weapons facility.
But sir, what about the...
Commercial? I was great. Here, watch this. Megacorp keeps you warm, keeps you healthy, and now keeps you safe. Hello, I'm Abercrombie Fizzwidget, and I'd like to welcome you to the new Megacorp weapons facility. We offer guided tours to show you how our weapons are made.
Cutscenes are
Our
very
highly trained experts spend their day creating the latest in heavy-duty weaponry to protect you and your whole family. So stop by today and bring the kids. Our tours are both informative and fun. And who knows, you just might learn something. That was one handsome fellow, eh, boys? Fizzwidget out.
Sir, wait! Mr. Fizzwidget, come in!
Perhaps we can still find him at the weapons facility.
Please, can I make it to the planet in 10 seconds, please? Yeah. Okay guys, so see ya next time.